Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video and a breakout update on Jasmy. Because overnight we got a breakout. All right, you can see if you go to the one hour time frame, what we said yesterday is that Jasmy was consolidating. Right, you can see that the EMAs were kind of flat for well, a couple of hours. I mean, basically since Wednesday morning we were consolidating here in some sort of a region. So what I told you is to wait for a breakout. So that would be either a breakout above 4.05 cents, so that's 0.0405, which we actually managed to do at 1/2 o'clock right here. Broke out, got a nice bullish break retest, and we started rallying. Now, the price target we talked about is still the price target I have. So far, we found a little bit of resistance around 4.4 cents. I don't think that's a major resistance level, all right? I mean, you can see that there is somewhat of a resistance level there, but I think the stronger resistance level and the better price target is more up towards 4.6 and 4.7. So that is still my price target, and because of that bullish breakout, I also think it's most likely we'll get there. Now, the thing is that I do think it's good to be cautious. I mean, Jasmy has been bullish for a very, very long time now, and what you can see is that we had, since the start, the 30th of May, we had some major buy orders coming in, right? So for example, if you look at these buy orders here, if you look at this one, if you look at this one, those are all very big buy orders, probably by whales. And that's all great because you need that money to actually pump up the price, and it's not necessarily bearish, but I don't see any major evidence except for maybe right here, but I don't see any major evidence that they actually sold off. You can also see that if you zoom out to the open interest since the 30th of May, we're up about $55 million in open positions. I see no look. We have seen some reasons for a potential turnaround here, for a potential reversal. And those are still true, all right? There's a major bearish divergence forming if you look at the price, which is still making higher highs here, as you can see. And then you look at the RSI, all right? RSI has consistently been making lower highs. So that is true, and that's also, I made a video a couple of days back talking about a potential crash warning. I still think that's the case. I don't necessarily think we're going to crash, but the combination between that divergence and the whales that have entered Jasmy, I do think you need to be careful, all right? The main support level right now is 4 cents, so the level we broke above. I see no reason with the gained momentum and the continued spot buying that we will have a crash, but at some point of time we're going to get a big sell-off, all right? That's just always what happens if you get a move like this, even though Jasmy is doing great, and even though I think right now we still have a lot of potential. So be prepared for that, right? I'm not trying to scare you. Like I said, at this moment, like even though we have that divergence with the RSI and the price, if you then look at the momentum, there's no divergence there, all right? So every time we actually make those higher highs, we're still gaining more momentum to actually justify getting up there. It's just that at some point of time, we'll have a bigger sell-off. All right, so for now, because of the bullish breakout, because of the momentum, I still think it's most likely we'll continue going up. So that's that level up towards 4.5, 4.6, 4.7. I do think, I mean, ultimately we want to break above that and get towards 5.2, 5.3, which you could have seen is also a price target. But I do think if you look at the current price structure, I think it's more likely to find some resistance at 4.6, 4.7, consolidate up here, and then eventually from that consolidation, get the confirmation of a breakout and then continue rallying up. That's what I think is most likely. But I'll keep you updated on that in my daily Jasmy updates. For now, I think this is what you need to know. Some sort of a pullback into 4.2, 4.1 is a possibility. But like I said, as long as we're holding 4 cents and as long as the open interest is still decent, we'll be fine. But those are my thoughts. All right. So have a great weekend in advance. Take care and bye.